Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wattpad beta. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about the application of Wattpad beta and we click here. In this page of app info, we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.